So here's some beautiful footage from this morning. I filmed of the sunrise. See, at this point, there's a jet airplane leaving from the airport. The sun is only illuminating the bottom sides of those clouds because it's just beginning to rise over the curvature of the earth. It is not above the clouds. Flat earthers, sorry. It is below the clouds, thus illuminating the bottom of those clouds that aren't very high. They're not those giant Sears clouds, those ones that are very high up. In fact, it's at such an angle below the horizon still that not even that jet airliner was lit up yet because it wasn't high enough. But those clouds are just high enough that the bottoms. All right, here's a few minutes later where the sun is continuing to rise in the sky as our Earth rotates. And now look, it's just high enough over the horizon to begin to light the tops of those trees and the top of that house. Not that house next to it because it's not quite high enough in the sky yet. But it's also still lighting the bottoms of the clouds and just beginning to go above the level of those clouds, which you'll see next. And now here's just a few minutes later. Now the sun is lighting the tops of those clouds. How do you explain that on a flat earth? How do you explain that if our planet is not rotating, orbiting the sun, and doing exactly as the globe model predicts? And now look, the sun is high enough that it's not even illuminating those trees in that house anymore. It's above the clouds. It does not remain stationary and seem to rise because of perspective. Flat Earth debunked yet again on a beautiful sunrise morning.